Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning Chinese through popular Chinese song 那些你很冒险的梦 or Those Were the Days by Lin Junjie or JJ Lin. I chose this song because I like it after hearing it in Sing China Season 2. I will be breaking down two parts of the song so that you can learn Chinese easily.
当两颗心开始震动，当你瞳孔学会闪躲，当爱慢慢被遮住，只剩下黑，距离像影子被拉脱。当 is when. 两 is two. 心 is heart. Or it can be hearts. Because in Chinese there's no plural form. Ke is like, for example, one piece of cloth. For every noun, there will be a term called 量词 to describe the quantity. So, 两颗心 means that there are two hearts. 开始 is start or begin. 震动 is vibrate. If you realize in Chinese, they also do not have some of the words. For example, maybe start to vibrate. They will get rid of the to. Some words are not needed in Chinese. 当 is when. 你 is you. 瞳孔 is pupil of the eye. 学 is learn. 会 is know how to. So 学会 is learn how to. 闪 is dodge. 躲 is hide. So 闪躲 means to evade, dodge or hide. 当 is when. 爱 is love. 慢 is slow. 慢慢 it becomes slowly. 遮住 is covered. 'Because of the word 被 it becomes a passive voice, so it's covered. So it's love slowly being covered. Zhi is only. Shen is left. Shen Xia is also left. He is black. In this sentence, it also can be implied as only left darkness. 距离 is distance. Xian is like. Ying Zi is shadow. La is pool. Tuo is you moving something on the surface. Like for example, a mop on the surface. So la tuo it means you are pulling something on the surface. Bei makes it a ed because it becomes a passive voice. 那些你很冒险的梦，我陪你去疯。这只飞机碰到雨天，终究会坠落。太残忍的话我直说，因为爱很重，你却不想懂，只往反方向走。那 is that. 那些 is those. 你 is you. 很 is very. 冒险 is adventurous or risky. 梦 is dream. 的 is used to connect the adjective to the noun. So adventurous, risky, 冒险 is the adjective and 梦 dream is the noun. So 冒险的梦 means adventurous or risky dream. 我 is I. 陪 is accompany. 你 is you. 风 is crazy. 去 is go. 则 is full. 纸 is paper. 飞 is fly. 飞机 is aeroplane. 纸飞机 is paper aeroplane. 碰 is touch. 碰到 can also mean meet. 雨 is rain. 天 is sky. 雨天 is rainy day. 终究 is in the end or ultimately. 会 is will. 坠落 means dropping or dropping down. And it drops in a certain manner like this. Tai is two. 残忍 is cruel. 话 is word or words. 的 is used to connect the adjective and the noun. So 残忍 cruel is the adjective. Words 话 is the noun. So 残忍的话 cruel words. 我 is I. 直 is straight. 说 is say. 直说 when used together means saying straightforwardly. 因为 is because. 爱 is love. Hen is very. Zong is heavy. Ni is you. Xue is but or however. Bu is not. Xiang is thing. Bu xiang when used together means not really, want, don't want, do not want. Dong means understand. So 不想懂 means don't want to understand. Zhi is only. Oops. Wang is towards. Fan is opposite. Fangxiang is direction. So is go or walk. So means only walking or going towards the opposite direction.